In this video, I will try to explain plasma. Plasma is considered to be the fourth state of the matter after solid, liquid, and gas. So, as we know, what is solid, liquid, and gas, but plasma is somewhat different from solid, liquid, and gas. But if we go in detail, what is the use of the plasma for the internal combustion engines, or what may be the use of this kind of the things in internal combustion engine? So if when we talk about the spark plug, the energy which is being generated as a spark in the spark plug, that is generated by the plasma. So firstly, first we have to understand what is plasma. So suppose we are having the separation of charges at one point, we are having a very high negative charge, and at the other point we may consider that either it is neutral or it is containing the positive charge. So when anything is having a negative charge and the negative charge density is very high, the density at this point will be made very high by decreasing the area. If the area of the point is very less, it is a sharp point. In that case, the density of the charge will be very high. So at this point, the density of the charge will be very high and it will be negative charge. So due to the presence of the negative charge and this density is very high, the air molecules which are being present all around this negatively charged, very highly charged negatively element, these molecules will also be obtaining negative charge. But here we are having positive charge. So these air molecules which are very high negative charge, they will flow from negative charge to positive charge, because we know that opposite charge attract to each other. Now when these will be flowing from negative charge to positive charge, their motion will be opposed by the other air molecules which are present all around these molecules. Due to their opposition, this traveling of charge have to put a large amount of energy so that they can displace these molecules, and this large amount of energy which have to be displaced comes or is dissipated as light, which we see as plasma or a spark in between these two electrodes. So in modern combustion engines, we know that we are having a spark plug, and the tip of the spark plug is something like this, and here we are having another point or another uh, electrode. This electrode will be made as negative and this will be made as positive. The distance in between them will be up to the order of 1 mm. The distance will be very less, and the potential which will be generated will be very high. This may be the potential of 6000 volt, and due to the generation of the high potential, this will be carrying the negative charge. These negative charged particles, they will be traveling from this point to this point, and when they will be traveling, they will be generating the spark. And when this spark will be generated, some energy or the energy will be dissipated to the surrounding as heat, and this heat will help in combustion. One more thing I would like to elaborate here at this point: for the spark ignition engine or for the gasoline engine, we require spark because the burning point of the gasoline is high and the burning point for the diesel is less. So the burning point of the diesel is less. So therefore we need not to put very high amount of the energy in the diesel, and that energy can be given to diesel with the help of compressed air. And due to the energy obtained from the compressed air, diesel droplets evaporate themselves and start ignition. But petrol is having higher ignition temperature, so this energy can be given by the spark plug only. So this was about the plasma and why we need a spark plug in SI engine, but we don't require spark plug in CI engine. Next lecture I will try to make on the turbulence, why we require turbulence in the engines and what are the factors which will be controlling the turbulence in the engine. So we will discuss in the next lecture. Thank you.